You went to school for more than a decade, studied hard, passed exams, but were never taught money rules 101. Maybe even got a degree, yet no one ever taught you how money actually works. Today, you work, you earn, and still feel stressed, stuck, or one emergency away from panic. And the truth is uncomfortable. Your biggest money problems are not because you're lazy or bad with money. They exist because the most important financial skills were never taught to you. While you were learning formulas and facts, no one explained how debt traps you, how money quietly slips away, or why earning more doesn't automatically make life easier. This lack of knowledge is costing you every single year, silently, in ways you don't even notice. If you want to finally understand money the right way and take control of your financial future, make sure you subscribe to *** Learn Finance Daily ***, because this channel is built to teach you what school never did. By the end of this video, you'll see money differently. You'll understand why you've felt stuck for so long. And you'll realize that once you learn the right money skills, everything starts to change. So if you're serious about building a stronger financial future, and don't you want to keep repeating the same mistakes, subscribe to *** Learn Finance Daily *** and start learning money the way it actually works. Most people believe that if they work hard, stay disciplined, and earn more money, their financial problems will slowly disappear. But for millions of people, that never happens. The salary increases, but so do the expenses. The lifestyle upgrades, but the stress stays the same. This is where confusion begins. Because on the surface it looks like progress, but underneath, nothing is really changing. That's because money doesn't improve automatically, it improves when you understand how it moves. From a young age, we're given a very simple formula: study well, get a job, be responsible, and everything will be fine. But real life doesn't work like that. School prepares you to earn money, not to manage it. No one explains how income, expenses, debt, and time interact with each other. So when money finally comes into your life, you're expected to figure it out alone. And most people learn only after making painful mistakes. This is why so many hardworking people live paycheck to paycheck. It's not because they don't earn enough. It's because they don't have a system. Money comes in, bills go out, and whatever is left gets spent without intention. When there's no plan, money feels unpredictable, and that uncertainty creates stress. Without a system, even a high income can disappear quickly, and more money just creates bigger problems. Instead of solving them, then there's debt, something that feels normal but quietly controls lives. Credit cards, loans, and easy installments promise comfort today, but they borrow from your future. Interest works silently in the background, pulling money from tomorrow's income. Many people wake up every morning and go to work not to build a future, but to pay for decisions they made years ago. This cycle keeps people busy, exhausted, and stuck. Saving money is often presented as the ultimate solution, but saving alone is not enough. Inflation slowly reduces the value of money that sits still. What feels safe today becomes weaker tomorrow. The difference between people who struggle and people who grow financially is simple. One saves, the other learns how money grows. Time either works against you or for you, depending on whether your money is moving or standing still. The real skill that changes everything is awareness. Knowing exactly where your money goes, why you spend emotionally, and how small decisions compound over time. When you become aware, money stops being confusing. You stop guessing and start choosing. Awareness turns chaos into control, and control into confidence. From there, everything becomes simpler. You build systems instead of relying on motivation. You learn to delay gratification instead of chasing instant comfort. You focus on consistency instead of quick wins. Wealth is not built through luck or shortcuts. It is built through boring habits repeated over many years. Small actions, done regularly, create massive results over time. The truth is, school didn't fail you on purpose. It was never designed to teach money. But now that you understand this, responsibility shifts to you. Once you learn these skills, you stop playing the same financial game as everyone else. You stop reacting to money and start directing it. And that's the moment your financial future truly begins. If you want to keep learning these skills, avoid the mistakes most people make, and build real financial strength step by step, make sure you subscribe to Learn Finance Daily. This channel exists to teach you what school never taught you, so you don't pay the price for it later.